Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the binary tree traversal problem. So in this we will be having three types. One will be Inorder, preorder and postorder. They may ask to write the Inorder, preorder or postorder, and for the more marks question they may also ask to find all those. So first, this given graph let us consider and solve the Inorder, preorder and postorder. For Inorder, the formula is left, root, right. What is the formula? Left, root, right. Now if you see, this is the given graph and this is the root node. So whatever will be coming towards its left will be called as the left subtree, and whatever coming to its right will be called as the right subtree. So if you see here, first there is left. So let's move to the left node of the complete tree. So now I came to the left node. I will detach it from the tree for the understanding purpose. Now if you see, again apply this left, root and right for this separate left tree. So there is no left node. So there is no left node. So no need to write. Next what you must write? Root. So if you consider this as the separate tree, left is not there, root value will be B. So B will come first. Next you must write the right node. Next you must write the right node, that is D. Now you are completed with the left subtree of the complete tree. Now the left is over. Now you must write the root value. What is the root? A. Simple. Now let's move to the right. So let me consider right subtree as the separate tree. Now apply the left root right again. Left. Again left. First you must go to the left as possible. So G is the left. Next, and its root. If it is a left node, its root node will be its parent. So root node value is E. Next, E is not having any right chain. So we will stop here. Now this will become the left tree for this root node, that is C. For C, when we consider this as the separate tree, for C, which is the root node of the separate tree, this E and G will be in the left subtree and F, H, I will be in the right subtree. So we wrote the left, let's write the root. Root value is C. Now left is over, root is over in this separate right tree. Now if you see in the right subtree of the C also we are having a tree, separate tree. So let's detach it and consider this as the separate tree. So which is the left? H is the left. Next root is F and right is I. Now if you see, we wrote the left values, root value and the right value of the complete tree. So the short trick is just detach the left and the right from the complete tree and make it the subgroups as much as possible, subtrees. So like that if you solve, you will be getting the problem easily. Now let's move on to the preorder. Now let's consider the same diagram or the graph again and solve the preorder. For preorder, what will be the formula? Root, left, right. First you will be writing the root values, then left, then right. If you see, this will be the root value. So just write the root value directly. For this root node, this full will be the left subtree and this full will be the right subtree. So I will detach the left subtree and right subtree. Now A is completed, that is root value is over. Let's move to the left. So left subtree will be considered as the separate tree. In this B will be the root value, there is no left node and there is a right node. So what we must do? First we should write the root value. So what is the root value? B is the root value. Then I must write the right node value, that is D. Now if you see, root value is written for the complete tree, left value is also written for the complete tree. Now we must go with the right values of this complete tree. Since I detached this right subtree from the A node which is having the complete tree, let me consider this as a separate tree. So this will be the root node, then this full E and G will be the left node for root node C and F, H, I will be the right node for the root node C. First I must write the root value. The root value is C. Next I must write the left value. So when you come to the left, you are having E and G. So here if you consider this as a separate tree, so I said make the trees as divided as possible. So if you consider this as a separate tree, E will act as the root node and G will act as the left node. First you must write the root value. What is the root value? E. Next you will be writing the left node value, that is G. And then you must write right node, but for E there is no right node. Now you wrote the root value C, left subtree also you wrote. Next you must write the right subtree. So if you consider the right subtree separately, F will act as the root value, H will act as left node, I will act as the right node. First you must write the root value. Root value is F. Next, left value is H. Right value is I. Now if you see, you wrote the root values, left values and the right values of the complete tree which has been given. Now let's move on to the last one, that is the post order. Now for this post order, the formula will be, first you will be writing the left nodes, then you will be writing right nodes, then it will be for the root values. So if you see the tree, first this will be acting as the root value and this complete will be the left subtree for the A root value and this full complete will be acting as the right subtree for the root value A. First you must write the left, so I will be going to the left subtree of this complete binary tree. In this left subtree, B will be acting as the root node and D will be acting as the right node. There is no left node. First I must write left, there is no left, so I must write right. So the right node is B. Next I must write the root value. So the root of D is B. So if you see, left value of the complete tree is over. Now I must move to the right nodes. So since I detached the right subtree from this tree, this will be acting as the complete separate tree. So C will be the root value of this separate tree and this full will be E and G will be the left nodes and F, H and I will be the right nodes of the subtree C. Now I will detach these two also. So this will be the separate tree, F, H and I will be the separate tree. First I must write left, so I will be going to the left. So this will act as the root value and G will be the left. First I must write left. Left means G. Next I must write the right value. There is no right node for E. Next I must write root value. Root value is E. Next if you see, left is over. Next I must write the right. So for C, the right nodes are F, H and I. Here, since I detached them, this will be acting as a separate tree. So F will be the root value, H will be the left value, I will be the right value. First I must write left, that is H. Next I must write the right value, that is I. Next I must write the root value, that is F. Now left is written, right is written. I must write the root. So the root value is C. Now if you see the complete tree, left subtree is over, right subtree is also over. We are left out with the only value, that is root value, that is A. So what is the formula for Inorder? Left, root, right. Go left as possible, like that. Preorder, root, left, right. Postorder, left, right, root. So hope you understood the concept of the binary tree traversal, Inorder, preorder and postorder. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.